Lust is killing your potential silently. You think it's a harmless release, but it is systematically stealing your focus, your discipline, and your masculine drive. Every single time you surrender to an impulse, you fracture your spirit. But a Zen lifestyle teaches us a truth most modern media hides. You have the absolute power to kill lust, and that transformation must begin right now. The diagnosis of weakness. Lust is a beautifully wrapped trap. It offers cheap, immediate pleasure but leaves your mind hollow and filled with regret seconds later. It tricks your brain into a fake state of achievement while completely draining your life force. Takeshi, an ancient Japanese seeker, faced this exact internal war. He realized that if you cannot say no to a glowing digital screen, you are not a master, you are a hostage to your own biology. That isn't self-control. That is pure weakness. Most men fail to break free because they fight with fleeting willpower alone. But willpower is fragile. In Zen, we don't just suppress the fire, we starve the fuel. You are trapped because your triggers are too close, your nights are aimless, and your phone is always in your hand. You have wired your brain to seek easy dopamine. To win, you must execute brain rewiring through active mindfulness. Here is how you execute the kill. Cut the gates, block the accounts, clear the triggers, make failure physically impossible. Shift the body. The second a craving strikes, do not sit there and debate with your mind. Stand up. Do 20 heavy push-ups. Channel that raw sexual energy into physical discipline. Imagine waking up tomorrow with an unshakable mind, sharp focus, and absolute clarity. When you kill lust, your vital energy returns. Your confidence skyrockets. You stop reacting like prey and start ruling your life like a warrior. You are not fundamentally weak. Your mind is just completely untrained. Start right now. Master your desires. Take back your throne. The battlefield is entirely in your mind, and you are built to win.